the Benue State. That is why she is referred to as the food basket of the nation.
Some of their local dishes are egusi soup, bende soup, odada soup. Benue State are involved in farm produce like cassava, potato, yam, and plantain, as well as fruits like orange, banana, pineapple, and watermelon, etc. Please welcome to the stage the beautiful people of Benue State.
Madam.